Now we have started about your the same point about the periodic classification of the elements. Already we have seen about your Doberan-Trites, Newlands octaves, and also the merit or the advantages of the Mendeleev's theory. Now the remaining point is the demerits of the Mendeleev. You know that about the every point or the every theory they having the also presence of the merit and the demerits. Now today we have seen about your the demerits of the Mendeleev's. First demerits is the given here. The position of the cobalt and the copper. These are the two elements are present here. These are also the cobalt and nickel. These are also the some given elements. They are also the demerits are given here. What is the demerits? The position of the cobalt and nickel. What is the main important point? First of all, the Mendeleev's are the given here. The cobalt and nickel, they having the mass number are the same. Mass number are the same. But the theory of the Mendeleev, they having shown here the periodic table are arranged by the increasing order of the atomic masses. Main important thing. These are the periodic table are the arranged by the increasing order of the atomic masses. But the cobalt and the nickel both having the mass number is the 59. Then how to arrange it by the increasing order? This is not possible. Why? Because the atomic mass of the cobalt and nickel are the same. That's why this is not possible by the arranging by the atomic masses. Understood? Main important point. This is the cobalt and nickel are the arranging in your the modern periodic table by using here the atomic numbers. That means cobalt 59 and 27, nickel 59 and 28. As like the arrangement are the completed in your modern periodic table. But this arrangement is not possible by the Mendeleev. Understood? समजते का? ही arrangement Mendeleevला जमलेली नाही. काय arrangement होती रे? या दोघांचे मास नंबर सेम असल्यामुळे त्यांची अरेंजमेंट करता येत नाही. पण हे कुठे जमलं रे? मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल. ओके, दिस इज युअर द फर्स्ट demerits. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट demerits. What is the next demerits? Isotopes. What is the isotopes? Anyone can tell me that? Yes. The two element having same atomic number, same atomic number, but different atomic masses. Okay, these are the isotopes. But Mendeleev says about your this is a chlorine. They are having the different two masses are the present in your the chlorine. Which of the mass? One is the chlorine 35, other is the chlorine 37. And Mendeleev says that these are the two different mass numbers are the present. Hence, they both chlorine are require two places. Here the chlorine require the how many places? 2. Why? Because their the atomic mass are the different. But in your the modern periodic table, we have seen here the atomic number is the same. Atomic number is the same. That's why the Henry Moseley are said to that only one position is the required for the chlorine. Understood? Mendeleev said that here is the two different mass numbers, hence they require two places for the chlorine. एका क्लोरीन साठी एका पिरियडिक टेबल मध्ये मेंडेलीवने दोन प्लेस ठेवल्या, पण मॉडर्न पिरियडिक टेबल नुसार त्याचे एटॉमिक नंबर्स हे काय होते रे, सेम होते. मग जर एटॉमिक नंबर सेम आहे, प्रॉपर्टीज सेम आहे, मग यांना दोन प्लेस देण्याची गरज आहे का? नाही, तर एकच प्लेस आवश्यक आहे. पण मेंडेलीवचं इथे एक चूक निघाली, म्हणजे डिमेरिट. काय डिमेरिट होणार आहे? दे रिक्वायर्ड द टू प्लेसेस फॉर द आयसोटोप्स. आयसोटोपला दोन प्लेसची गरज आहे का? नाही, एकच प्लेस सफिशियंट आहे. समजलं? हे दुसरं डिमेरिट आहे. द नेक्स्ट थर्ड डिमेरिट्स. all of you have understood that. Second one also. Third demerit, the atomic mass of element are not uniform. What is meant by the uniform? Uniform means same. That means the difference is also the same. As like for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the uniform distance in between these two are the numbers. Understood that? That means the 2 and 1 they have only the one difference. 2 and 3 they have also the one difference. 3 and 4 also the same distance is called the uniform. But atoms mass they having also the not uniform are the arranged by the this Mendeleev. That is arrangement of element are not uniform. These are the given by the Mendeleev. This is also the demerit. How to check that? First element is the hydrogen 1. Okay. Next element also helium. This is the helium having the mass is the 4. How much difference? Then also check that next element is the lithium 6.9. What difference is the very differ in between that numbers. Next also the barium 9.4. Then also the boron is 11. That means in between you have the first two numbers. They have the mass number different is the 3. Here is also the 3. Here is also 3. But here 11 is the only 2. That is the not uniform numbers are the given here. Understood? Means in your the periodic table as like conditions are the given by the Mendeleev. Understood? That means they are the not uniform. येथे त्याने युनिफॉर्म फरक दाखवलेला नाही. But what is the demerit of that you are the not uniform? Uniform नाही तर मग त्याचा तोटा आहे का काय? असू शकतो. काय? If possible to the hydrogen and the helium there are the three numbers are the different, but imagine that any one of the element are the present in between middle of that. यांच्यामध्ये एखादा एलिमेंट असू शकतो का? Is that possible also? हे पण पॉसिबल आहे ना. याचा मास 1 आहे, याचा मास 4 आहे. मग यांच्यामध्ये एखादा एलिमेंट असेल का? ऑफ कोर्स असेल. मग तो कोणता असेल? हायड्रोजनचे आयसोटोप आहे. हायड्रोजन, ड्यूटेरियम, ट्रिटियम. There the masses is the 1, 2, 3 as like mass are the present. That is the main डिमेरिट्स ऑफ युअर मेंडेलिव्ह यांच्यामध्ये सुद्धा एखादा एलिमेंट असू शकतो, यामुळे याची ही थेअरी सुद्धा रॉंग ठरलेली आहे. समजलं? नाउ नेक्स्ट ऑल्सो, and this is your the very important question, they are also asked in your the NEET or the JEE exam of your after the 12th, that means your the medical and the engineering exam. Which of the questions are the important? Why hydrogen does not shows fixed position in the periodic table? Listen. Why hydrogen does not show fixed position in periodic table? This question are also asking for the your board exam also, and after completing your the 10th they are required in the 11th 12th standard also. That means this your the hydrogen position is does not fix. This your the position of the hydrogen doesn't fix. Why given that like a sentence in your the periodic table, that is also the demerits of the Mendel. What is the demerits? Why they are the showing as like hydrogen? These are the presenting, and also at the first position in your the modern periodic table. These are the given. But what is about the this question? Hydrogen are show properties of both, that is alkali metal and halogens. Hence hydrogen does not show fixed position in the periodic table. हायड्रोजन हा पिरियडिक टेबल मध्ये फिक्स पोझिशन का दाखवत नाही? कारण तो अल्कली मेटल्सच्या प्रॉपर्टी दाखवतो. आणखी कोणाच्या दाखवतो? हॅलोजन्सच्या सुद्धा प्रॉपर्टीज दाखवतो. म्हणून त्याची पोझिशन आपण फिक्स सांगू शकत नाही. Now since the main properties are the showing with your the nearly equal to the alkali metal and the nearly equal to the halogens. Listen. Hydrogen are the showing a symbol H2 as like Cl2, Br2, I2 as like a halogen. Which like halogens. Then hydrogen are the showing as like your the sodium. That means the sodium is bonded with the oxygen with a twice molecule. Also hydrogen is bonded with the oxygen with a twice atom. Sodium दोन एटम ने मॉलिक्यूल बरोबर Na2 हा मॉलिक्यूल तयार करतो. तसंच हायड्रोजन पण काय करतो? H2O. म्हणजेच एक मॉलिक्यूल तयार करण्यासाठी सोडियमला दोन एटमची गरज पडते. आणि H2O तर तुम्हाला माहितीच आहे, वॉटर मध्ये सुद्धा H2O असतो. ओके, as like same also the HCl, NaCl, these are the two different molecules. Hydrogen is bonded with Cl and sodium is bonded with Cl. That is the same properties of the sodium and the hydrogen. Understood? हाइड्रोजन आणि सोडियम हा सेम प्रॉपर्टीज दाखवतात. समज? ओके. This is your the whole total demerits of your the periodic table. How many demerits are the seen already? Yes? 4. Correct. Which of them? First the position of your the cobalt and nickel, then the position of the isotopes, then uniform, and the last one is the position of the hydrogen. These are the 4 demerits of the Mendeleev. Understood? Now see about your the next important theory of your the this periodic table. Modern periodic table. What is about the modern periodic table? These are the discovered by Henry Moseley. This is the scientist. Henry Moseley are the discovered the modern periodic table. Now next also, these are the given the one of the modern periodic law. Modern periodic law. What is the modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of element shows periodic function of their atomic number. What is the difference in between two laws? First one is the periodic law, second one is the modern periodic law. Yes, main difference is the atomic numbers and the atomic masses in a periodic law. Before we have seen the periodic law, they are in the physical and chemical properties of elements are shown here the periodic function of their atomic mass in a periodic law. Now see here the modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of element show periodic function of their atomic numbers. What is the difference? In periodic law, they are the atomic mass. Okay, and the modern periodic law, they are having the atomic numbers. That is the main difference, and this is a very important. That means this is the modern periodic table. It will be arranged by the increasing order of the atomic number. Periodic table is arranged by the increasing order of the atomic mass, but modern periodic table is arranged by the increasing atomic numbers. Understood? This is the main fact or the main difference in between the two laws. Understood that? Now say about the periodic table. This is your some groups. they are having a lot of the groups. Yes, anyone can telling that how many groups are the periodic table? Groups. Total 18 groups. Total 18 groups and the 7 periods. Understood? This is having the main important 118 element, 18 groups, 7 periods. Okay. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, caesium, and francium. This is the 7 periods are presenting here. How many periods are given here? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7 periods. Yes, anyone can tell me what is the periods? What is the periods? Horizontal rows are present in periodic table. Is called the periods. Now write down. Horizontal rows in periodic table is called periods. Understood? Horizontal rows in periodic table is called the periods. Then what is the groups? What is the groups? Vertical column in periodic table. Vertical column in periodic table is called groups. Okay. How many groups are present in here? 18. How many periods are present in here? 7 periods and 18 groups. This is your the first, second, third, that is also the three, 2, 12. That is an 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are the total number of the groups. Okay. Here is also the some elements as like the scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. As like also the element here, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, as like boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Sulfur, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and actinium. These are some elements are presenting in your periodic table. And also below the side of this your periodic table, here is the also two rows are the present. Okay. Now listen to careful about your periodic table. These are the given first elements group, first and second. This is on the S block. Which block? S block. These are the correct. D block. This is the P block. And the last one is the F block. Now listen careful about your all blocks. Okay. S block. They are having also the group first and second. What is about the S block? S block having group first and second. Group first is also called as a alkali metal. Group second is called as a alkaline earth metal. Which one? Alkaline earth metal. This is the group first is the alkali metal. Group second is the alkaline earth metal. What is about the D block? D block also called as a transition metal. Which one? Transition metal. Now this is the P block. P block having also the group 13 to 18. What is the range of the P block? 13 to 18. They are having the some metal, non-metal and metalloids are the present. Which of the element are the present in your P block? Metal, non-metal and the metalloids. These are also the present in your block P. What is the range of the D block? Group 3 to 12. S block first and second only. Okay. What is about the P block? Now listen carefully. These were the P block. They having also the one zigzag line. That is the zigzag line. What is the indication of the zigzag line? Yes, this zigzag line are the shown the separation in between the metal and non-metal. Below the side of the zigzag line, these all are the metals. Listen. Below the side of the zigzag line, these all are the metals. And upper side of the zigzag line, these are the non-metals. But which of the element are the showing the properties of the both? Yesterday we have seen metal and non-metal. Both properties are the shown by the which of the element are the nearest to the zigzag line. That means the silicon, germanium, arsenic, also the stibnite, tellurium, polonium. These all are the metalloids. Which of the nearest to the zigzag line? Which element are only the nearest to the zigzag line. These are the metalloids. Understood? Upper side non-metal, below side metal, and which are the present on the zigzag line. These are the metalloids. Okay, understood? There also there is a p block having the different and different families. This first is the boron family. Lesson group 13, also called as a boron family. Group 14 is called as a carbon family. 15 is called the nitrogen family. 16 is called as a oxygen family and also the chalcogen family. What is the name of that family? Chalcogen. Oxygen family, also called the chalcogen family. Oxygen family and the chalcogen family is the same. Now next, this is your the group 17 is called as a halogens. This is called the halogens. Group 18 is called the zero group elements, also called as a noble gases, and also called as a 18 group element. What is the name of this 18 group? Zero group, also called the noble gases, or also one name or inert gas. These are also the name of the 18 group. Understood? What is the name of the first group? Alkali metal. Second group, alkali earth metals. 3 to 12, transition metal. 13 group, boron family. 14 group, carbon family. 15 group, nitrogen family. 16 group, oxygen family, or also called the chalcogen family. 17, halogen family, and also 18, zero group, noble gas and inert gases. These are the all names of your the whole group. Understood? What is about the F block element? F block element are the present at bottom of the periodic table. Where is the present here? Bottom of the periodic table. And that is your the started with your lanthanum and end with the lutetium. These all are the 14 and below this side also the 14. These are the element are the present in your this lanthanoid series. That is the actinoid series. Now listen careful. They having the given total is the 15 element, but the exact in your the F block only the 14 element are the involved. Which of the element are the started with your the family? Listen. This is your the lanthanoid series. This is called the lanthanoid series. Then tell me, what is the lanthanoid series? Listen. The series, it will be the started at next to the lanthanum element. Series is a started next to the lanthanum element. It's called as a lanthanoid series. This is the which series? Lanthanoid series. What is the actinoid series? Yes? The series, it will be started at next to the actinum element. लॅन्थनमच्या पुढे actinoid series. Now listen carefully. This here the lanthanum is the atom number is the 57. Ended with the 71. Ended with the 71. This here the actinoid is the 89 and ended with the 103. 71. That means which of the elements are present in the lanthanide series? 57 to 71 in a lanthanide series. In actinoid series, 89 to 103 present in the actinoid series. These are the elements are presenting here. Understood? Listen, I will repeat it here. S block. They are in the first group and second group. First group name is the alkali metal. Second group is the alkaline earth metal. And this here the 3 to 12 is the D block. They are in the all other transition metals. This here the P block. They are in the group is the 13 to 18. They are in the boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, halogen, and the zero group families are the present. Then also there is the F block. F block having only the 2 series. How many series are present in the block? Only 2 series. What is the name? Lanthanide series and the actinoid series. Lanthanide series. Which of the element are the present at next to the lanthanum element? It's called the lanthanide series. Actinoid series. Which of the element are the next to the actinum element is called as the actinoid series. Understood? These are the series are the present in your lanthanide and the actinoid are present in the F block. Anyone can tell me that how many elements are present in the F block? F block. First series 14, second series 14. That means the 28 elements are present in your this F block. Understood? Now next also the one series is the remaining. That is called as a transuranic series. What is the transuranic series? Yes? Transuranic. This question are always asking for your board exam. What is the transuranic series? Which of the elements are present at next to the uranium is called as a transuranic series. Listen. Which element are present at next to uranium is called yes transuranic series. Now this is your transuranic series. But where is your the uranium? Uranium element number 92. That means the how many elements are present in here? 92 to 118. Ananockium. This is your the number. Ananockium is the 118. That means the how many total elements are present in that series? Total element is the 26. How many? 26 elements are present in the transuranic series. But also another one name of your the transuranic series. These are all elements are the artificial elements. Which one? Artificial or also called as a man-made. This is your the artificial element are also called the man-made elements. Man-made means what? Yes, these elements are made up by using your any natural element is called as a man-made element. and void. These man-made elements are also called as a transuranic series. Man-made element ला आपण transuranic series का म्हणतो? याचं कारण इथून पुढचे जेवढे सगळे काही 26 एलिमेंट तयार केलेले आहेत तर त्याच्यासाठी नॅचरल एलिमेंट वापरलेला आहे युरेनियम. म्हणजे हे 26 एलिमेंट जे आहेत तर ते कोणापासून तयार केले? युरेनियम. What is the thorium? Which one? That is one element is the thorium, and that is the another element is the uranium. These are two elements. This is the radioactive natural element, and these are the both elements are used for the formation of the artificial element. That means these are the used to the formation of man-made element. These are the element are used for the formation of man-made element. That means the how many elements are formed by these two? 26 elements are formed by using the thorium and the uranium, and also this 26 is also called the transuranic series. Understood? This is the whole about the modern periodic table. They have in the first, I will repeat it again. What is the period? What is the period? Horizontal rows in a periodic table is called the period. What is the group? Vertical columns present in your periodic table. What is the lanthanide series? Which of the element are the next to the lanthanum element is called the lanthanide series. What is the actinoid series? Series it will be the started next to the actinum atom or the element is called as the actinoid series. What is the transuranic series? Series it will be started next to the uranium is called as a transuranic series. Understood? And how many elements are present in your transuranic series? 26. That means the next to the this is 92. That is also the range is the 93 to the 118. These are total 26 element. Understood? And also listen careful. This is the element having also the important thing. One electron it will be the added into that uranium plus one electron. Then forming your the next element is the 93 is the neptunium. One electron again added to form a plutonium 94. These are the some elements are the present here and also forming here the one by one up to the 118 elements. Understood?
विचार सेकंद झालं